Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Laboratory Cognizance. Today, we're diving into the world of sterilization, specifically focusing on how an autoclave, your lab's sterilization powerhouse, uses moist heat to ensure your glassware and nutrient media are free from contaminants. Stick around, as I'll be breaking down the step-by-step process and sharing some expert tips to get the best sterilization results every time. Every time. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is an autoclave? An autoclave is essentially a high-pressure steam chamber used to sterilize lab equipment and media. By applying both heat and pressure, it effectively kills bacteria, fungi, spores, and even viruses. Autoclaves are vital for any lab setting, as they provide the most reliable way to maintain a contaminant-free environment, ensuring that the results of our experiments are accurate and reliable. Now, you might be wondering, why use moist heat? Well, moist heat is highly effective because steam transfers heat energy much more efficiently than dry heat. This means that microorganisms are exposed to a lethal combination of heat and moisture, which helps break down proteins and cell walls more rapidly. And that's why moist heat sterilization is preferred in labs worldwide, especially for items like glassware and nutrient media that can handle the temperature and pressure. Now let's go through the process step by step. Prepping your materials. Before you even think about turning on the autoclave, you need to prep your materials. Make sure that all glassware is cleaned and dried thoroughly. When it comes to nutrient media, make sure they're in heat-resistant containers with loosely closed lids to allow steam penetration. For glassware, wrapping it in aluminum foil is ideal to keep it sterile post-autoclaving. Loading the autoclave. Carefully place the items in the autoclave, ensuring they're not too crowded. Proper spacing is key to allowing steam to reach all surfaces. Overloading the autoclave can lead to uneven sterilization, so make sure to place items like petri dishes or test tubes with ample space in between. Setting the cycle. Set the temperature to around 121 degrees Celsius, that's about 250 degrees Fahrenheit, with a pressure of 15 pounds per square inch, PSI. The standard duration is 15 to 20 minutes for most glassware and media, but thicker materials might need longer. These settings ensure the steam is hot enough to penetrate deep into any material, killing microorganisms effectively. The cooling period. Once the cycle is complete, don't rush to open the autoclave immediately. Allow it to cool naturally. Trying to open it too soon is not only dangerous due to the high pressure, but can also lead to a loss of sterility as cool air flows in. Once it's safe to open, you can take out your sterilized items. Storage of sterilized materials. After autoclaving, handle your glassware and nutrient media with care. Ensure that sterilized items are stored in a way that maintains their sterility until they're ready to be used in experiments. Safety in the lab is paramount. Always wear heat-resistant gloves when handling materials in and around the autoclave, as well as protective eyewear. Check the autoclave's gauges and doors before every use to ensure they're in good working order, and never, under any circumstances, open the autoclave before it has depressurized completely. And that's it. The autoclave is an incredible tool for keeping our lab equipment and media sterile, which is crucial for getting reliable results. By following these steps, you're not just ensuring sterility, you're also protecting your experiments and yourself. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments about your own experiences with autoclaving. Until next time, stay safe and stay curious.